Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today's quote. So always we have to minimize the risk and maximize the profit. That is the concept. So this is the famous quote. And today is 10th June, Wednesday. So we'll discuss how to trade on tomorrow, that is 11th June 2020. So before going to the chart, go through the disclaimer. Straight away we'll go to the Nifty. This is the Nifty daily chart as we're discussing from last couple of days. The zone which is 10,270 and 10,330 is the high resistance zone. So tomorrow being a weekly option expiry day, there could be some high volatile. So we should be very careful. If you see, the market is not moving much. So today the range has not broken. So the important key level for tomorrow also the low of this candle. So that is around 10,000, right? So 10,000 is the key level. So how to trade tomorrow, we'll see on a 15-minute chart. So overall market is in a consolidation mode. 9,900 to higher side 10,300. This is the zone, very crucial. 400 points it is consolidating. It may consolidate this week also. So we'll see for tomorrow. So tomorrow how we have to trade for any decline. If it comes to this demand zone, that is at 10,055 or 10,060 kind of levels, we can enter for a long and keeping a stop loss below 10,010 kind of levels and aim for a target of 10,180 or 10,200 is the profit taking place if you buy around 10,050 or 10,060. So that is the trade plan for Nifty. All levels are spot levels. So that is a Nifty trade plan for tomorrow, that is the 11th June 2020. See, the drop here is the base and it tested several times. So we have to see tomorrow it may give some support here and may bounce. So that's why the plan is like this. So we have to enter in a demand and keep a stop loss below the demand zone and aim for a target of 10,180 or 10,200 levels. So this is the Nifty, and now we'll go for a Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart. So if you see this, so yesterday we discussed about the level. So 23.6% of this retracement. So that is 20,700 kind of levels. So today also it takes support there only, a decent support, and bounced from there about 400 points up. So for tomorrow, how to trade, we'll see here. So this is the tomorrow trade plan. So we are supposed to enter around 20,750 or 20,800 kind of levels as a buy entry and keep a stop loss below 20,600 and aim for a target of 21,300. This is the long entry for the Bank Nifty. And if the Nifty opens and trades above 21,400 or 21,500 kind of levels, there could be some shorting opportunity around 21,800. If the Bank Nifty goes to 21,800 kind of levels, there you can take a short position, keep a stop loss of 100-150 points above and aim for a 400 to 500 points on the downside. So at least 300 points from where you shorted. So taking out your profits. So that is one type of setup. So either side you can trade tomorrow, Bank Nifty. If it goes to around 21,800, you can go for a short, keep a 150 point stop loss, take out your profits at 300 points down. That is the shorting. On the buying side, If it comes to around 20,750 or 20,800 kind of levels, buy it, keep a 150 stop loss and aim for 300 or 400 points upside from there. So that is a setup for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Now we'll discuss for two stocks for tomorrow's trade. So yesterday I told two stocks, one is Dr. Reddy and another is Titan. So Titan is given a decent profit on a short side, and Dr. Reddy, it came to our buying level, not much profit but a small profit. So today we will discuss two stocks for tomorrow's trade. Tomorrow's trading, we selected two stocks. One is RBL Bank, another is Hero Motor. So first RBL Bank we'll see. See, this is the daily chart of RBL Bank. Lot of consolidation and moving upside. So this upside may continue to the level of 175 and 185 zone. So there is a probability of going higher. So today's high, today high is 168.65. So if the price tomorrow opens above 168 and stay above that level for 15 minutes and half an hour, then you can go and buy and keep a stop loss of 0.5% and aim for a target of 175. That is a one kind of setup. Otherwise, the best setup for intraday tomorrow we'll see on a 15-minute candle. So this is the 15 minutes candlestick chart of RBL Bank. So best idea is, see, this is the rally, base, rally, base, rally. So the first base will give you a decent support tomorrow morning. So at 157.50 paisa kind of level, you can go for a long. Keep a stop loss of 2 rupee 50 paisa, that is 155 kind of level, and aim for a target of today's high. Today high is 168. So this is the target. So good risk to reward. So any correction we can buy it. So those who are holding the stock from the previous levels, somewhere here, if you are purchased around 135, 140 kind of levels, wait until 175 and take out your profits. This because this zone is a tough zone to cross. Most of the traders who bought somewhere here, they will take out their profits in this zone. So this is RBL Bank for tomorrow, a long entry. At around 157 and keeping a stop loss of 2 rupee 50 paisa and aim a target of 10 rupees on the upside. So this is RBL Bank. Another one is Hero MotoCorp. We'll see how we have to trade Hero MotoCorp. We'll change Hero. So this is the Hero MotoCorp. If you see here, a lot of consolidation is going on here and lot of selling pressure is coming. So this entire area will act as a resistance zone, so supply zone. So if you see here, this level is a breakout level, and also this is a breakout level. So it tested 2 times, and tomorrow also it may test that level, right? So it is coming near about 2250 kind of levels. It may come tomorrow or it may break also. So our trade idea should be on a short side. Any uptick can be sold, and we'll see how where to trade tomorrow on a 15-minute chart. We'll have a trade plan for Hero MotoCorp. This is the 15 minutes chart of Hero MotoCorp. So this is the base, drop, base, small correction, and again drop. So tomorrow the best selling area is this one. So our entry should be like this, around 23 135, 2335 kind of levels. We can go for a short and keep a stop above this level and aim for a target of in the zone. So near about 60. So 20 to 70 kind of levels we can keep as a target. So this is a Hero MotoCorp for tomorrow only intraday trading. Friends, we discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty and two stocks. One is RBL Bank for long entry and Hero MotoCorp for short. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Every day I am giving my views on Nifty, Bank Nifty and trade plan also for two stocks for next trading day. So tomorrow we'll meet again the same time. Thank you so much.